How's it going, all my fellow epic gamers? Welcome back to another epic video here today, and today I got another tutorial video for you guys. Now this video is for people that are having problems getting their Elgato to pick up the signal to the PS4. Believe me, it was pretty annoying when I first got my PS4. I couldn't get anything to work, and I was getting very frustrated. But luckily, there's a very simple solution. Now basically, all you gotta do is you gotta come up here and you go to your settings, and then you can scroll all the way down to system, and then this enable HDCP, you want to have that unchecked, because if that's checked, I don't know what the fuck it does, but it just, your Elgato cannot pick it up. So uncheck that, and as proof, I'm literally using the Elgato right now, so you can see that it works. Now a little bonus thing, if you would like to use apps on your PlayStation, we'll just use Crunchyroll for example, because you know I love me my hentai. If you go to start it, this message will pop up. Cannot start the application. You must turn on settings, enable HDCP. So if you want to watch apps on the PlayStation, you got to come back up here, go back to system, and hit enable HDCP. So just remember, making epic YouTube videos, uncheck the box. Watching hentai and Crunchyroll, check the box. Alright, so thank you guys all so much for watching this video. You guys are all absolutely amazing, and as proof that it works, I am literally using the Elgato right now, so it works. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and also subscribe and hit that bell to get notified whenever I post any more epic YouTube videos. If you guys are by any chance having a problem getting your Elgato to just work in general, I do have a video for that. I will link it down in the description below. If your Elgato is saying you need a 3.0 USB port, even though you literally have one, I got a solution for that too. Link is down in the description. Once again, thank you guys all so much for watching. You guys are all absolutely amazing. I love each and every one of you guys. If you guys know anyone who's having this problem, make sure to send them this video. I'm sure it'll be very helpful. And I'll see you guys all on the flip side. Goodbye.